Snoop, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first team to score 5 points by guessing the correct mystery word or phrase. Divide into 2 even teams. Set out the rings, dry erase boards, and marker. Shuffle all the mystery cards, then place them face down on the table. Decide on one letter, from A to D, that determines which secret words all the players must use for the entire game. Pick one player to be the active player. Their team goes first. The active player draws the top card of the deck and, without letting anyone else see it, they silently read their mystery word or phrase, then secretly write one clue on each of the 4 boards. The clue can be anything they want, and it does not have to be a single word, but it must only be one thing. They may not leave any board blank. Once written, they rest each board face down on one of the rings to prevent the ink from smudging. Now, the opposing team gets to Snoop to try and guess the word. They pick a board and flip it over, revealing it to everyone. Then, they get one guess for what they think the mystery word or phrase is. If they guess incorrectly, they flip over one more board and get one final guess. If they guess wrong again, then the active player's team flips over one board and they make a guess. If wrong, they flip over the last board and guess. The first team to correctly guess the mystery word or phrase wins the round and collects the mystery card, scoring 1 point. If the active player's team fails to guess the word by their second guess, then the opposing team automatically wins the round. The other team now picks a new active player and another round is played. Keep going until one team scores 5 points and wins. However, each team must have had an equal number of turns being the active team. If it is a tie, keep playing new rounds until there is a clear winner.